All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. You guys know what time it is. It's time for none other than Kaspa. We're going to be doing our daily analysis on the price and see what is really next at this point. A lot is unfolding right now. Things are getting really exciting. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. If we're looking at the price of Kaspa, let's just look at the performance. You can see it's up once again, 22.1%. If you watched my update just earlier this morning, it was kind of covering the entire market because we did see a flush within the cryptocurrency markets because, manipulation did occur, as far as the futures trading goes, which impacted the entire market, including Kaspa. But Kaspa is on its way back, retesting close to its all-time high, and that's really giving us an understanding as that, this momentum really is just getting started. So you guys can see it's up 22.4%, and if we're looking at the price, once again back at 9 cents, up 22.1% in USD comparative, also up 20% in Bitcoin comparative over the past 24 hours. Guys, I am literally out of words at this point, not just myself. A lot of crypto enthusiasts are literally speechless right now because Kaspa continuously is pushing more towards the upside. But if you've been watching my videos over the past month or two, one specific thing that I've been emphasizing is that $2 billion market valuation, how a meme coin is able to achieve that. Why would Kaspa be not able to receive that? And you guys can see after it broke out of that 5.5 cents resistance, we've been seeing an upwards trajectory, and of course a lot of good things coming for the entire space, which is helping Kaspa push to levels that we could not have even imagined a few months back. If we're looking at its market cap, $1.92 billion, and at this rate I would not be surprised Kaspa retesting its all-time high and even surpassing all-time high. So we could be potentially seeing a 10 cents Kaspa in the next few hours ahead of us, which we will get into as to why. The 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at above 100 million, to be exact 147.5 million, and you can see the buying pressure is quite high, not something we're used to seeing. Usually we see 9 million, 8 million, something definitely is happening behind the scenes. And when you really grasp everything and really put that into perspective to see where Kaspa really is and where it potentially could be, it shocks my brain. So now let's waste no more time and take a look at what is happening. But as always, you guys know, just a quick disclaimer for everyone. Anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. It's really funny to see, whenever I'm making these updates, I always see the price of Kaspa over the past few days. It keeps going out of the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level. So meaning, new all-time highs are constantly coming for Kaspa. No, but right now, let's, hold on Kaspa for a few seconds. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin, you guys can see what BTC is doing right now, something very interesting. So you can see Bitcoin made its way back up to this $36,500 mark. Just a few hours ago, earlier this morning, I did make an update. You guys can see what happened with Bitcoin, which caused the entire market to see a flash. You can see we saw the price of Bitcoin drop below this level of support. You guys know the significance of the support line, but we saw the price of Bitcoin going back below 0.50, but did not last too long. Why is this the case? Manipulation, futures trading. So a lot of longs got liquidated, and this is why you do not want to be leverage trading. Leverage trading, futures trading is where majority of the manipulation does occur, and this is exactly what happened. And a lot of people that got in late in terms of opening up longs really got wrecked. So this is why if you are a viewer on my channel, I don't want my viewers to really go into these futures trading. No matter how experienced you are, manipulation will come and get you. So strongly encourage you guys to stay away from that. But if we're looking at Kaspa right now, insane, guys, absolutely insane. Let's take a look at it on the hourly time frame. Gives us a better understanding. Look at this. You cannot make this up. You literally cannot make this up. We saw, so let's actually push this Fibonacci retracement level back above to its all-time highs now, and I think next time I make an update it's going to be even higher than that. So you guys can see we've been within the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level. You guys know how I treat the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level, because you guys, at this point it all depends on the volume. If the volume is high, prices can push up to the higher side, and with Kaspa what we're seeing is more FOMO coming than before, and we're seeing big influencers talking about it now. We saw Altcoin Daily mention Kaspa on his Twitter just a few hours ago, and compared to Altcoin Daily, I'm a little fish in the sea, and along with the majority of the Kaspa content creators, they're nowhere near that level, and the fact that these guys are now mentioning Kaspa will bring in more FOMO. And again, I've said this from the beginning, why is Kaspa seeing so much traction? Because reminiscing the old feelings of missing out the big layer 1s, layer 2s, Avalanche, and the list goes on and on, Solana, Cardano, Matic. These are some projects people miss, and now they're looking at Kaspa, with bringing a unique twist to a layer 1 with such a unique technology. People calling it the next Bitcoin, but again, there's no one that's going to take over Bitcoin. Let me tell you that right now. But Kaspa is gaining a lot of momentum, and what shocks me continuously is look how fast this wick got slurped up. So basically, let me tell you guys what I mean. So we did see, of course, due to the Bitcoin wick towards the downside, everything is going to react, yes, including Kaspa. And look at that. If someone's going to come and tell you Kaspa is not going to react to Bitcoin, well, just show them this chart on the hourly time frame. So we did see Kaspa go down. Let me show you guys. Kaspa dropped about 22.8%, and if you somehow had some buy orders placed in at the 7.1 cents mark, you are up right now 25% instantly, and that shows what I mean by momentum. And look at it for yourself, guys. The price of Kaspa just needs a 4% move more towards the upside in order for it to reach a new all-time high, and in order for it to go to 10 cents, that's a 12% move. And I think with the momentum that's happening right now in the crypto space, and if Bitcoin is able to push once again above to 37,900, and even if it were not to go up to this $37,900 mark, as long as we stay above this resistance that I'm talking about, well, now it's considered as a support because it's converted into a support. As long as we stay above here, I think Kaspa has more upside, and we could be seeing the psychological point for Kaspa coming true, which is that 10 cents mark, and I think that is going to send shock waves around the crypto space. I think this is not even close to the FOMO that we're used to seeing. Majority of the money that's coming in right now is, the money that's already in the space, people that already know about crypto. These are the people that are buying up right now. Sure, I'm not saying there's not new money coming in. Of course, there's always new money coming in daily. People are coming into the crypto space, but it's not to the level of magnitude that we're used to seeing in the previous bull cycles, especially if you're been in the cryptocurrency markets for a while. It's nowhere close to that. And the craziest thing that I can't wrap my head around is that no big exchange is still on. And that's where we come up with the conclusion that this is not even close to what we could be expecting seeing. If the likes of Binance, Coinbase, other bigger exchanges, Huobi come and list this, I think at this point Kaspa is going to come and shock a lot of people. Right now, I don't want to really talk about pullbacks. I think there's still a lot of steam left in Kaspa as of now, because we're seeing bigger influencers talking about it, more and more people talking about it. So I think it can push up even higher, and if it's able to break out of that 10 cents mark, guys, I think things can start heating up really fast. So one step at a time, guys. I'm going to give you guys updates on a daily basis, keep you guys updated with everything going around Kaspa. So stay tuned, and of course, let me know which other projects you guys want me to cover. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.